Jai Gurudev. So welcome to our next videos. These videos are based on the stock market astrology, and in previous videos we have covered what are the actual methods or the techniques that we are using to predict the market, that we covered in the very first video of the introduction. And then we have seen the basics of Jyotish that is required to understand the whole system, like how this astrology can help in the stock market predictions, that we have covered in the video. And then we have also uploaded a video in which we have covered like different planets and their connection with the market. Okay, like which particular company is ruling is ruled by which planet. Okay, so all these things we have covered in our previous videos. So I hope you have seen all those videos, and if you have missed those videos, you can go and check our previous videos, and links are also given in the description section of this video. Okay, so now in this video we will see like the connections of Rashi or the zodiac sign, okay, and how they behave in market movement. Okay, like which Rashi are responsible for the bearish trend and which Rashis are responsible for the bullish trend. Okay, so all these things we will see in today's video. So we'll start with the very first thing, that is first sign, that is Aries. Okay, Mesha Rashi, Aries sign. So Aries sign, we associate Aries sign with the bullish movement. Okay, so if Aries sign is activated, maybe in Lagna, or prominent planets are showing the influence of Aries sign, then we can expect bullish momentum or the bullish trend of the market for the day. Okay, now it depends like where you are using this Aries sign. Okay, for monthly chart, for daily chart, or for the yearly chart. When I say charts, I am talking about the horoscope. Okay, that particular transit chart. So we can create a different transit charts for different types of predictions. Like for 1 year duration of prediction, we can go for the yearly chart. Okay, yearly transit chart, and or else for daily chart we can create that chart also. So all these things we'll see and discuss. We'll discuss all these things in detail maybe in upcoming videos. But in today's video, I'm just giving you an idea like how this zodiac signs will set the complete trend in the market. Now Aries, as we have discussed, denotes the bullish trend in the market. Now Taurus sign, that we also call as a Vrishabha Rashi. Okay, Taurus sign. This Taurus sign also shows bullish trend. Okay, like Aries, but difference is in Taurus sign you can see the rise of prices are very the price will rise very slowly. Okay, the speed is very slow. Okay, but Aries sign, Taurus sign, both will show the bullish momentum only. Now for Gemini, okay, Mithuna Rashi, Gemini sign. So Gemini sign shows the bearish trend. Okay, complete bearish trend, and you can see the element of suddenness in the Gemini sign. Okay, so it will show you bearish trend. Okay, but all this momentum you can see they will happen very sudden. Okay, and they will stay for short duration of time. This is the nature of Gemini, because the Gemini sign, if you see Gemini sign, we also call it as a dual sign. Okay, there are three kinds of sign: Chara, Sthira, Dvisabhav. Chara means a movable sign, Sthira means that is fixed sign, and movable means the Dvisabhav Rashi. Okay, dual sign. Okay, Chara, Sthira, Dvisabhav. So this Gemini sign is a dual sign. Okay, which shows bearish trend, but you will see the element of suddenness in this Gemini sign. Also it will reflect the short duration movement. This is about the Gemini. Now if I talk about Cancer sign, okay, Karka Rashi, then Karka Rashi also shows bearish trend. This is just opposite of Aries. Okay, Aries shows, Mesha Rashi shows the bullish momentum, Cancer Rashi, Karka Rashi shows bearish trend. Now Leo, okay, Simha Rashi. So Leo Rashi shows bullish trend like Aries only. And Virgo, okay, Kanya Rashi. Kanya Rashi shows the bearish trend. Okay, but it will give you the fall in the prices very slowly. Okay. Similarly, like Gemini, it will also behave the same. Okay. So, price will move slowly, but ultimately it will show you bearish trend only. Now, Libra. Okay. So, Libra sign also shows the bearish momentum only. Okay. Bearish momentum, but you will meanwhile or for short duration of time you can also see the sudden rise in the prices. Okay. But at the end it will be bearish only. Now, for the Scorpio, okay, Vrishabha Rashi. Scorpio signs shows bullish momentum. Okay. Scorpio also known as a Vrishabha Rashi. The Vrishabha Rashi shows you the bullish momentum. Price will also increase with the same speed. Now, the Sagittarius sign, okay, Dhanu Rashi. So, Dhanu Rashi again shows the bullish trend only. Okay. Same like Aries and Leo, Sagittarius also shows the bullish momentum. Capricorn, that is known as a Makara Rashi. Okay. So, that Makara Rashi or the Capricorn sign shows the bullish momentum, but with the ordinary speed. Okay. This is not like Sagittarius bullish momentum, but it will show you bullish, but with the slow and steady momentum. Okay. Now, the another important feature of Capricorn is it will show you both kind of like upward and downward. Okay. So, in single day you will see market will go upward and then downward. At the end it will be only bullish momentum only. So, this is the Capricorn sign. Aquarius or Kumbh Rashi shows the bearish trend movement in the market. This is the nature of Aquarius sign. And the Pisces sign, it will show you the bearish momentum. Okay. Bearish momentum, and also see the decline of prices are also very fast, okay, as comparison to Gemini and Virgo. Okay. So, Pisces also shows the bearish thing. So, in this video we have seen the basic qualities of the signs, okay, based on the market movements. Okay. So, whenever we want to decide like in which direction market will move today, okay, so you have to consider like what are the signs those are activated during the market hours. Okay. And depending on the other planetary characteristics like planets also we have covered in the previous video. So, you need to merge both, okay, planets and sign, and then we have to take decision, okay, today or for this month or this week market will behave like this. Okay. So, these are some basics that we are going to use in market predictions. So, I hope this video is clear, and I keeping it very simple so that you can get some introduction about what are the parameters that we are going to use in market predictions. Okay. So, all these things I will teach in my course in detail with the example charts and all. So, this is just an overview video. So, I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts or queries, you can put that in the comment section. Jai Gurudev.